Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and thank you for watching this first look. You know, I live in the city, but I am just fascinated by these Highland cows. I have several, I don't know why, diamond paintings, and this one just caught my eye by Annie Troe. It's called Long Hair, Don't Care. Look at this little guy. He's like, don't you just want to take me home as your pet? It is a 42.7 centimeter by 42.7 centimeter. Yes, it is a round. Absolutely adorable. 52 colors, which includes 2 Aurora Borealis, or better known as ABs, and 2 fairy dust diamonds. So we're going to jump in and take a look at this fabulous diamond painting. All right, so it comes in this cute box. Absolutely love. We've got this little toolkit. The toolkit has a twist and pick applicator and putty, your single placer, heart-shaped wax, stackable tray. Okay, so here's the putty. Absolutely great. Has the 3-placer, and then it comes with the smaller stackable tray because it is a smaller painting. I have several, oh, that's on my scissors, stackable trays. Love them. They really do stack. And then you can put your little sticker on the end and have a lot of different colors going at the same time if you like doing that. And then you have all your goodies inside as well. And then you have your extra putty and your baggies right there. Perfect. There you go. Okay. And then here's your thank you for your purchase. Absolutely adorable. And then inside is your start and end date, your stickers if you have a logbook. And then this also is your stickers for your symbols. Here's your 52 colors. It has your ABs and your fairy dust as well. So you're going to want to make sure that you open your thank you. All right, come on. Let's reestablish. And look, we have a trading card. Okay. This is long hair. We don't care. Absolutely fantastic. This is a bronze. Okay, camera, come on. Come on. We want it to say bronze. Here, it's absolutely beautiful, and we want to collect these. Go on the site. It'll show you what to do with your collector's cards. So we open this and see what's inside this beauty. Now, for me, I would call this a snack size, but this is a good size for someone starting out. Absolutely adorable. It's a 17-inch by 17-inch. Here, let's use the box to our advantage. There we go. See, isn't he cute? He's absolutely adorable. So see these pink lines? These are to show us that this is perforated. The cover, that's plastic. That means that it's like a dotted line that is easy to tear off right there, like that. And they are 4x4 squares in case you don't want to pull the whole cover off. So it creates its own release papers. You've got your key in the upper left and lower right. You also have a little thumbnail for the pasting space with the name of the artist and the name of the painting with the size and the SKU number, all your social media, and your lifetime warranty. He's chewing on a piece of straw or grass. Also on your drills, I don't know why my camera's not auto-focusing. Oh my goodness. Also on your drills, it says long hair don't care, and it has the SKU number. So if you store them separately, then you can pull them right up together. Let's look up close and personal. And they are super clear. You can see them without a light pad if you desire. And it is poured glue. Sticky, sticky. Right there. It goes so clear and beautiful. Whew. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, if my camera would decide to work. Let's open these drill babies up and see what we got going on here. And where all the fun colors go. All right. So 702, 778. We're going. Okay, so this is one of the fairy dust. Come on, camera. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. All right, so you can see the mica powder on that. That 700 is going to go. Okay, that is in his grass that he's eating right here. Okay, get these other colors. I'm gonna have to take my camera out back and tell it what to do. Okay, 728 right there. That is another fairy dust. That is the X. So that looks like it's in his hair or her hair right here, right through here, right through here. Kind of giving a little bit of a whimsical feel. All right, so those are the two fairy dust. All right, so here's our AB 436. See where it's an A, lowercase a. All right, in the nose area. And then it looks like it's scattered just inside the X, right around here to give a little bit to the highlights. Oh, I like that color, 524, but I'm a big green fan. That's a nice periwinkle color. I like these different browns to give our highland some depth. Some grays here, some greens, blues for the sky. Okay, here's our second AB, 5200. That again is going to be a little bit in the nose, and then some highlights here, and then right up here with the horn, and the top of the horn, and some highlights on the top of the hair. And you've got the final bit of color. So I say this is a pretty cute little snack one to go grab yourself between your larger projects. He's absolutely adorable. Great job. I can't wait to jump in. So if you like Highland cows, go grab yours. Thank you so much, Diamond Art Club, for offering this piece, and Troe, I'm so glad. So until next time, be blessed, take care, bye-bye.